Welcome to NIAT campus at Ajeenkya Patil University, Pune.
I am Vedika, your unofficial guide and maybe your next coffee partner if you end up here. This campus isn't just 100 acres of land surrounded by greenery. It's 100 acres of code, collaboration and lot of NIATians energy. And where does that energy first take off? Let me show you. This is the auditorium. Let me tell you, this isn't just for the events. This is where NIATians get to meet their super mentors who come from top companies like Google, Meta, Netflix and more. The guest sessions here aren't just boring lectures. They are real insights from people who have actually built things. And honestly, half the time you will definitely see some of the NIATians already planning their big pitch by the end of the session. And mind you, those sessions can lead directly to the cafeteria, even though it's not time for the lunch yet. But a good cup of coffee would do just fine.
The campus has multiple cafeterias, but if you want to treat yourself or your friends even better,
Communion is the place to go. From chai-filled ketchups to quick-bite brainstorms, this is where NIATians hit refresh. And once you're recharged, you know what's coming next. It's time to burn it off at the sports ground. This is where NIATians trade bucks for basketballs and logic gates for goalposts. We have got a proper football ground, a full-size cricket ground and a dedicated space for basketball too. Whether it's a match day or just a mid-week break, this is where you reset, recharge and remind yourself there's life beyond the keyboard. And for those who like lifting something heavier than a laptop, welcome to the NIAT's second grind, the gym. Some NIATians hit the gym between classes. Weights, reps, playlist and progress. This is where mental hustle meets the physical hustle. But if your kind of build doesn't involve biceps and burpees. Tech Innovation Center is your zone. Robotic arms, drones, AI models, all being built from scratch by NIATians for the real world. Deadlines here are real, but so are the breakthroughs. And when the work is done and the laptop shuts, it's time to head back to the base, the hostel. To make your stay more comfortable as you study hard for these 4 years, the college offers various stay options. This is home base, where strangers become roommates and roommates become co-founders. There is a round-the-clock security, recreational area, and an ambulance always on standby. From late-night debugging to 2 a.m. Maggie parties, this is where NIATian's story truly begins. And when the midnight bug isn't just a bug in your code. It probably started here at the library. Books, laptops, coffee mugs and ambition. This is where NIATians quietly hustle their way into the spotlight. Whether it's an interview prep or that last-minute hackathon tweak, this space always has a story brewing. And for days when the brain gives up and your immune system does too, you can definitely go to the healthcare center. This isn't just a first aid stop. It's where NIATians get medical support, mental wellness check-ins and sometimes a power nap with a doctor's note. A pro tip for this is use wisely. And once you are back on your feet, there's one place that brings everything together. The classrooms. At NIAT, classrooms aren't just for lectures. The pedagogy here is crafted with precision and rigor of IITs, focusing on real understanding and application. We have IITians as your academic mentors to guide you with clarity, structure and high standards. This is where NIATians build their foundation before they start solving real-world problems like an industry pro.
as we have come to the end of NIAT campus walkthrough at Pune, all I want to say is, whether you are coming in with full of dreams or running out for some tough exam, this is the place where your journey for the tech world begins.